Good morning students. Today we are going to read the lesson The Four Seasons, lesson number 5. So you all know about how many seasons are there. There are 5 seasons. Okay. Now winter season, summer season, rainy season, spring season and autumn season. So in this lesson we are going to learn or read about the 4 seasons. Okay, this is the story about the 4 seasons. So let's start. Now see and write the season's name below the line or below the picture. Write the names of the season below each picture. So which season it is? Yes, it is winter season. And this one is rainy season and this one is summer season. So you can write here. Now let's read the story. Reading. Read in pairs to know which season is the most important for us. Now in this story, all 4 seasons are talking about themselves. Okay, who is the best and who is the important. Now once the 4 season had a quarrel. Quarrel means fight. Okay, so all the 4 seasons had a fight between them. So here you can see winter. Winter season say, I am better than the 3 of you. This is big sun, that means summer season. So summer season say, I am better than you. Spring season say, no, I am the best. And autumn season say, I am the best. So all 4 seasons have a big fight. Winter, summer, spring and autumn season. Who are the best? Now we'll see the next. Everyone thought they were the best. So here all 4 seasons thought that they are the best in their own. Now see what spring season say. I bring lovely flowers to full blooms. Bird creep merely. Butterfly dance above the flowers. There is joy everywhere. So this is all about the spring season. What is happened when the spring season come? So in the spring season you saw colorful flowers blooms. Birds are creeping with a lovely sound. Butterflies flying all over with the flowers. And there are so greenery in the spring season. So that's why spring season thought, okay, I am the best. Because in the spring season we saw colorful flowers, all greeneries, the lovely sound of birds, butterflies. So that's why spring season proud of him. Now let's read about the summer season. Everybody has a lot of fun. They have ice creams, cold drinks, mangoes and watermelons. People enjoy swimming and going to the beach. Now you can see here when the summer season came, what will happen? It's too hot temperature outside. So in the summer season we would love to eat lots of ice creams, cold drinks, and in the summer season the king of fruit we can eat, that is mango and watermelon. We swim in the summer season because when you swim in the winter season then you feel very cold. So in the summer season the temperature is too hot, people enjoy swimming and going to the beaches. So that's why summer season thought कि I am the best. Now next one is autumn season. By the time I come, people are tired of the heat. I bring cool air and change the color of the leaves. Many trees shed their leaves. Now, what will you see when autumn season is there? In the autumn season, you can see people are very tired with the summer season because the temperature is too hot. No? After that, in the autumn season, we feel very cool air, and you can see all the tree leaves change their color and shed their leaves. Why they are shedding their leaves? When they shed their leaves, then they will grow a new leaves, green leaves. Okay, so in the autumn season, trees mainly shed their leaves and they are changing their color also. And you can feel a cool air in the autumn season. So that's why autumn season thought I am the best. Now it comes to the winter season. Some people feel very cold but they enjoy hot chocolate and soup. So when the winter season came, what will happen? You feel very cold, you wear sweaters, you wear warm clothes, and you drink hot chocolate, soups, hot tea, hot coffee to enjoy the winter season. So now as you know, the season don't listen to each other because they are a big fight. They are arguing with each other. I am the best, I am the best. All seasons are fighting with each other and they are not listening to each other. Now what winter season says? I don't like summer. She's too proud. What summer season said? I don't like winter. She's too cold. Now spring decides to end the fight. Quarrel means fight. Okay, so spring decided to end the fight. Don't fight winter. It's because of you that snow falls. When the snow melts, the river and lakes fill up with water. And summer, it's because of you sunshine that grains grow in the field and fruits on the trees. That's true spring, we must be united. All the seasons are important. Now already spring season has decided to end the fight. So what he has told to winter season, that don't fight with the summer season because you are also so important for us, because when you come snowfall, you did snowfall, and when the snow is melted, the river and lakes fill with the water, and we all know we need the water. And as well as summer also, because in the summer season only we get the grains and people grow the grains in the field, and even we get the lots of fruits in the summer season. And during summer season the temperature is too hot, so we need lots of water to water the plants and trees and crops also in the field. So we need water, so winter season is also important. So both were agreed when the spring season tell both the importance. Okay, now what winter season said? That's true spring, we must be united. They should be united because all the seasons have same importance. So spring, summer, autumn and winter become friends once more. They promise to never fight again. We are all important. Okay, so now all the season came together and promise all of them they are never going to fight because all the seasons are very important to us. I hope you like this story. Thank you.